All right, everybody. Welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Banga. So I am going to be doing a review of the Atlas 80-volt brushless weed trimmer. So I decided to put it to a test and see how it performs, and it wasn't disappointing at all. So it's like I was I was hoping that it was great, and it wasn't. I wasn't disappointed at all. So if this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other review videos of power tools and stuff, so check them out, and check out the other video. Okay, subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and see what I have here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what I have here. So this have a lot of power, and the battery was, it was good too. It was like, I didn't expect it to last that long, but it did most of the job. Now I'm just gonna mention this. You won't have enough juice to use for the what they call it, the leaf blower, because the leaf blower is very powerful. It draws a lot of the battery. So but yeah, I was surprised with how the Atlas weed trimmer performed. It works just like any of the gas powered weed trimmer, and I almost got tempted to get one. My neighbor David, if you're watching this, he almost convinced me to get a gas powered one, because the one they had, it was great. It did great. It's just, I do not want any gas powered or anything gas powered power tool. So but it worked great. It's like, I was still trying. I was trying to figure out, because this is my first time using something like this. I've used other. I used to have a corded weed trimmer, which usually I don't even know sometimes how to, but somehow I was to figure this one out with the release, the string release. It's like you hit it. It works great when you hit it on the grass, then you hit it on the concrete. So that's what one thing I realized. I noticed when I was using this weed trimmer. So it is lightweight. You just have to make sure that the handle, you put it in the right way. You screw it down the right way, so that it won't be a little bit leaning, where it will be a little bit heavy. But it's like, it is very lightweight, and you can just turn it into whatever way you wanted it. And as you can see, the way I was cutting down the edges of the grass, it works. I like it. I really love it. I really love it. I'm gonna show you how. I don't know if I have it in there, but I know there's a different way that you can, if you want to put in the 0.95 strength. Like, sometimes it's kind of difficult to put in, but it works. So just letting you know, because I almost went and I went and bought another one, then realized that it worked. It went in and it worked. So you just have to put it in a certain way. You have to turn the arrow at the top to face the other arrow on the edge. Let me know in the comment section if you own the Atlas weed trimmer, if you have any issue. I know I read some reviews, and it's like, sometimes, yeah, I do go based on reviews. Sometimes, it's like, I think I'll take my chances. And if anybody is familiar with buying at Harbor Freight, if you're buying something that's going to be more than $30, put insurance on it, or warranty, or whatever, extra warranty on it, because when it's damaged, they'll replace it. So but yeah, it was hot too while I was doing this. So it's like, it was hot. It was hot. It's like the camera at some point had to crash because it was so hot. You see me taking some rest over there. Yeah, I was hot. Like it was, and then right using the push lawnmower, it's a lot of work doing that. Like which takes me almost 2.5 to 3 hours just to mow my lawn and clean up and do everything. It's like it takes me a long time to do because I have to use the right lawnmower. But now it's like, hey, I got a different lawnmower. You guys will be getting to see in that video very soon, so stay tuned for that one as well. So let me know in the comment section. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of the things that I did with the weed trimmer. This Harbor Freight Atlas 80-volt battery powered weed trimmer. All right, welcome back. So unfortunately I was able to record the entire video outside because the temperature was so hot that the camera was crashing. So but everything is all good. Let me go ahead and get this. So right now it is done. I'm already figuring it out, and it works great. So I replaced the string, and right now the battery is charging, and it's still haven't. I mean, I think out of, so it does have a gauge, and I think I only used like 1 bar out of it. So I haven't really used any little bit out of it yet. So right now I'm about to go to Harbor Freight again and get me a battery powered leaf blower by Atlas. So I'm gonna see how that works. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and I'm gonna do a review of that one too. So let me know in the comment section if you have an Atlas weed trimmer, if you have any issue with it, or you didn't have any issue with it, everything worked great. So let me know, or any other trick that I can use to be able to let it spool the trim, what do you call it, this string come out of the spool. So let me know in the comment section, guys. I am tired, it is hot, I've been drinking a lot of fluids just to keep myself hydrated. So, and I had to do it because the grass are getting growing taller, and last thing you need is your neighbor complain about your grass growing taller. So but yeah, everything is all done. I just need to get a leaf blower. It's too hot. I always use a broom to sweep it off, but I just go get that to pull it out. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to post your comment as well. I really appreciate that. So thank you again. Stay safe, stay blessed.